Natural language processing, abbreviated as NLP, refers to computers being able to process information in a natural language like English, as opposed to a computer programming language. This allows computers to read and understand the information we input into them. Every day on the internet, we generate 250 million DVDs worth of information, and NLP is important because it can help us manage this huge information overload by turning it into useful data. Most applications of NLP understand text using something called part-of-speech tagging. This means going through a sentence and labeling each word as a noun, verb, adjective, or so on. This may sound relatively simple until you consider that natural languages are ambiguous. Depending on the context, the part of speech of a word can change. Take the simple sentence, for example. These two part of speech analyses are both technically valid. As humans, we automatically recognize that in this sentence, book is a noun and bought is a verb. This is because of the grammar and syntax rules we use without thinking, but without NLP, computers do not have the same level of understanding. Therefore, the most common part of speech tagger, the Brill tagger, works by initially assigning the most common tag to each word, then applying predefined rules to correct any mistakes. So in our example, these are the tags that will be applied initially. The preset rules take into account the other words in the sentence, which is the computer's way of understanding context. The rule that would be used in this case is that an adjective changes to a noun if the previous word is a proper noun, so our sentence tags are corrected, and from there, more rules can be applied to determine the tense of the verb. This kind of rule-based part of speech tagging is currently around 96% accurate, and allows computers to understand the sentence enough to be able to do things like translate it into another language, extract keywords to form a summary of the text, or even formulate a response. Natural language processing has advanced significantly since its conception in the 1950s, but it still has a long way to go. Applications of the technology are all around us in our spam filters, translation apps, and personal assistants like Siri. As the tech gets more advanced, perhaps we will see a day where every computer will be able to interact on the same level as humans.